There's a common saying that goes like this: you are what you eat. This saying is clearly underrated by the dietary habits of our society. So many poor food choices plague us because we simply don't know what's in our food products and the effects they have on our bodies and minds. Perhaps one of the most common of these poor food choices are carbonated drinks known as sodas. In conclusion, the effects of sodas on our bodies and minds are too great to merely overlook because of their addicting contents. If we are going to take care of our bodies and minds so that we can live longer and retain better memory, we must become more aware of how our bodies and minds work and respond to all of the things that we put in it, not just sodas. After all, we are what we eat.